Hello everyone. Today we will do few worked examples using truth tables. Truth table problems we are doing. Construct the truth table for if P then Q or if Q then P. Now before going to start this problem, truth tables we will recall. Truth table is for conjunction, and for conjunction the truth table is if P and Q are both T, then the P and Q also T. Disjunction P or Q. If P and Q are F, then disjunction P or Q also F. If P then Q. If P then Q. If P is T, Q is F, then if P then Q is F. In the lastly, biconditional. Biconditional. If P and Q are identical, both are having same symbol, then it is true. That may be false or that may be true. Now if you see, if P then Q, when will you say if P then Q T F, then it is F. In the remaining cases it is T. Q to P. If Q then P. If Q then P is, first we have to see the Q then P. T and F then F. Otherwise in the remaining cases is T. Now we'll see PRQ. When will you say PRQ? Both are having F, then it is F. Both are having F, this one and this one. Both are having F, then it is F. Otherwise it is T. Therefore all are T. Because both are having F, then only we can write both are having F, then only we can write F. Otherwise we can write T. Like this we have to do. Next PRQ. When will you say PRQ is false? Both are having PQ. Just to see P and Q. P and Q. FF. F. FF. F. In the remaining cases it is T. QRR. QRR. These two we have to see. Here in these two also FFF. In the remaining cases it is T. FF. FFF. In the remaining cases it is T. Now this and this. That means this and this. When will you say it is T? If TT, T. TT, T. TT, T. TT, T. In the remaining cases it is F. Like this we have to do. The next one is indicate which one of the following are tautologies or contradictions. One problem is given, another problem is given. Now we have to find whether it is a tautology or contradiction. Now Q to P, we have to see if Q then P. When will you say if Q then P is if it is T and F, then it is F. In the remaining cases it is T. Now we have to see P. If P, then Q to P. These two we have to see. These two. TT, TT, FF, FT. In the remaining cases. Therefore, all T's. Q. This is second one. Q, not Q. F, T, F, T. Now not Q and P. Not Q and P. And TT, T. In the remaining cases, F. Now this one and Q. This one and Q. FT. Therefore all F's. You will get all F's. This is a tautology. This is a contradiction. Now, like this, if you by heart all these things, we can do. Now, to do the next one, prove that if P then Q and not Q implies not P. We have to prove if P then Q and not Q implies not Q, not P. Now, to prove this one, implication formula is if implies is there, it is enough. What is the meaning of this implies? It is enough to prove if P then Q and not Q, arrow not P. That means if P then Q and not Q, then not P is a tautology. If you prove this is a tautology, then we can complete the sum. Now P, not P. How to find not P? T means F, T means F, F means T, F means T, not Q. F, T, F, T. If P then Q. T, F, F. In the remaining cases it is T. Now P to Q and not Q. This one and not Q. These two we have to do. And when will you see and T, T, T. In the remaining cases F. Now P to Q and not Q, arrow not P. Not P means this one. This one and this one we have to see. T, F, T, F, F. T, T, F, T, F, 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 F. Therefore, T, F, T, F, F. In the remaining cases, T. Therefore, this is a tautology. Now, we have to prove if P then Q double implies not Q, arrow not P. Now, to prove this one, if double implies and implied by is there, it is enough. Formula is there. Double implies means formula is there. It is enough to prove this is a tautology. To prove that one, what we are doing? There are two formulas are there. Now, P is equivalent to Q. P is equivalent to Q. IFF P conditional Q is a tautology. As well as for implication also, implication equivalent, these two formulas are there. I already explained. Now, P is there, not P. F, F, T, T, not Q. F, T, F, T. If P, then Q. If P, then Q. T, F, F. The remaining cases it is T. Not Q. If not Q, then not P. Not Q, not this one and this one. T, F, F. The remaining cases it is T. Now condition this one and this one. T, 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 F, F, T, 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 T. It is a tautology. Now here using the laws of logic, show that using laws of logic, this one we have to prove without using truth tables, without using, show that without using truth tables. Thank you very much.